Hello, you're welcome to AppFix and In. My name is Daniel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to close your AdSense account. So you want to actually close your AdSense account. Maybe you want to create a new AdSense account and you want to close the previous one. In this video, I'm going to show you how to simply do that. Looking here on the screen is my AdSense account. So in order for you to close it, at the top left corner, you can see the three line icon right there. So when you click on the three line icon like this, looking here, you can see where it says settings. So you need to go ahead and click on that. Then go ahead and click on account information. So when you do that, looking here at the bottom here, you can see where it says close accounts. So you just need to go ahead and click on that. Now looking here, it says things you need to know before closing your account. When closing your account, you need to have earned the minimum payment threshold to receive your final payment. So here I'm going to go ahead and click on this like this, and click on close my account. So looking here, you can see that the AdSense account has been closed. This is how simple it is for you to close your AdSense account. Hope you found this video helpful. For more tips like this, hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.